You know, we look at the world and we hear all these things that are going on. And I'm going to reduce my topic to two things. I don't have an answer to anything in life. I'm 64, still trying to figure out my life. But I'm going to tell you about two things that really resonate big time in my life. And I want that to be the theme of my talk. Number one is the saying that Jesus said to his disciples, be not afraid, right? Be not afraid, because I am with you. That's number one. Number two, a saying that Jorge Valdes says, when the pages of history are written, you need to ask yourself, will history ever remember your name? I repeat, when the pages of history are written, will history ever remember your name? Now, some of us don't give a darn. We just want to go through life. We're complacent, and we're happy. You know, we live, we die, and nothing ever changes. We didn't impact nothing. But at the end of the day, the most important thing is to realize, if we want history to remember our name, like I want history to remember my name, the only way history will remember my name is not because of what I did there, or the house that I built, or the car that I drive, or the big business that I built. History will only remember my name for the lives that I have impacted for Christ. But see, there is no way in the world that history will ever remember any of our names if we are afraid. If we are afraid.